Bruh.
Hey. What? Hey. Dude. Alright, is my audio literally bugging out right now? Like, is it delayed? Because I was having that problem on my other computer the other night, and I'm noticing the mic is delayed. Like, when I talk, it should be in real time, you know, that, I'll show you. Alright, you see my microphone. It was like, yeah, you notice it's a little off. I feel like I might be experiencing the same problem, but let me know. A little delayed. Yeah, see, it's like you have to like restart your whole OBS if you leave it on long enough. Oh yeah, here's the futures. S&P 500 futures. Oh my god, we're at 2882. No, just kidding. We're good now. Coming all the way back up. Mic is tight. Someone said delayed. Yup. No. Oh, that's great. Great consensus. Chat. Great. Okay. So I'm just here. I'm going to do a little scanning tonight. Just going to be here for the 4-hour close in 49 minutes. Tiny bit off. I don't know why it does that, dude. It's high out of its mind. Okay. So look. You were overbought. This is the 4-hour. You overbought, you're not overbought anymore, right? It's like 69.4. You weren't showing bearish divergence. You were showing bullish convergence from a high to a higher high, higher levels positive Momo. Even on 60 minutes, you did not show any kind of bearish divergence. It was only bullish convergence. High on price. Here's your nice spike and positive Momo, relative strength. Higher high on price, higher levels, relative strength, higher levels, positive Momo, nice volume. So you have increasing volume, nicer spikes and positive Momo. I mean, this is all like good. I mean, yeah, you could obviously come down to back test the breakout, right? You see it, the geometrical trend line. Come down to 83.23 or something like that to test it and then maybe break the upside there. Or it could just be another like 1, 2, then 3. One more big move before the correction, right? So yeah, you're building negative Momo now for the first time, you know, since today. It's a 60-minute chart, dude. Okay. But nice news. So you're over the 200 moving average on the 60-minute. So who cares? And we know that it could go higher. We know that based on just simple Fibonacci. Go to the 4-hour for that. Here it is. From your previous high, discernible high on this time scale to low. You can see between 89.50 and 9700. That is your golden zone. That is where, if you're looking at any asset on any market, it is just where you commonly retrace before reversing to the downside. Like in this context, because the impulse itself initially was bearish. Consolidation, rally, retrace, then reverse to the downside to make lower lows if the downtrend is to continue. But we know this, you could say it's pattern now, I guess. I mean, you could say it's a wedge. Or you could just say it's the downsloping channel. We know of that too. But you could run all the way up to the top of this downsloping resistance, major downsloping resistance, right? And that would put you at 95, 9600. And if you did that, that'd break you both the 4-hour 200 moving average. As we know, the big headline of the close today was the fact that we just couldn't do it, man. We couldn't freaking do it. What is it? It is a vague pronoun. Yes, it is. But it this time was the inability to break above the 200-day moving average. Fell below it. As you remember, discussed it earlier and times before, once we broke this, not once in our bullish cycle from October of 2015 to December of 2017 did we ever once fall below the 200-day moving average, though we did a couple times wicked off of it before running again momentously to much higher highs, all-time highs. So you've got that. But of course, you know, nothing. It doesn't have to be. You know, if this was to be its own bull run, it doesn't have to like stay above the 200 moving average like completely. It could break back above it. It's a lagging indicator. So it's just interesting to see that previous 2-year plus market cycle where you just never fell below it. It's crazy. And it was so insane how you were wicking off of it a couple times. Let's go way back. Look right here. I mean, this is, look at the flash crash where it literally touched it. April of 2017, April 15th. You got close. Here it is again, right? Right here in August of 2016, you touched it. See you bye. So twice you touched it, but we're just scared, completely scared of it. Just buy orders. So many buy orders were down there, I guess. Just made that thing blast off. Okay, this is when you had your, you know, crossover, October 2015, and then once you cross that, huge buying climax, ascending triangle, accumulation with a sell wall that broke, measure move, easily hit and above, and then you corrected. That was that first time, 200-day moving average. Wow. Here you go. And then, you know, when did we touch it again? Oh, wait, it just happened to be when the correction started. Well, it wasn't when it started. It had already definitely started, but fell, just tumbled down to it, fell below it. Bear trap, big V-shaped recovery, triple MACD, bullish divergence, huge emotional response. Then the double top with the bearish divergence. the dump. And then, near the candle low close from February 4th, 2018 and April 2018, bullish divergence on the MACD. Tail end, RSI, bullish divergence. Largest short squeeze in history of Bitcoin, as it was then. Huge move to the upside. Rising wedge formed. Bearish divergence on the MACD developed on that second high, that attempted rally. Couldn't even touch the 200-day moving average. And then you dumped again, man. Selling, 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 till you got down to the 5700s. This is when everyone gave up. Many people gave up. Dude, TA's fake. It's stupid. I can't believe you're still thinking about divergence here. I mean, screw all these times. This time it's different. This time it's not going to work. It's going to be terrible. Slightly lower lows went down to the wick from, again, February 6th, not the candle closes. Tail end RSI, bullish divergence. See ya. Created the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders. Sold off, right shoulder. Great low risk areas. Measure move hit. But also, this one, the 4 hour, was a broadening top, continuation pattern. Measure move hit. That was as high as we went. And that was it.
Bruh.
Hey Brew, what are your three favorite indicators?
Well, you know I can't just answer like, all right, fine, MACD, something, right? I mean, I don't know, dude. I guess it's like MACD, RSI. I'm very fond of them. The divergence is so powerful. It's a tool that so many people around the world use in this market and in traditional markets. So Mr. Sanskrit, dude, what's up, dude? Thank you, dude, for the 1337, though, Luta. Really appreciate it. So you go with those two, and then I would just say good old-fashioned wedges or something. Just Bulkowski patterns. Does that count as one? Okay. Or if you're going to say, like, hey, if it has to be very specific, if you give me a bullish Gartley on the daily with bullish divergence on the RSI and MACD, that's 3 indicators. Give me those 3. I'll take them every single effing time. Okay? Bullish Gartley, bullish divergence, RSI, bullish divergence, MACD. That's it. Book it. Did you say
Bruh.
No, I didn't at all. So, wore my t-shirt tonight. Oh my god, I can't believe this guy. He's so unprofessional wearing a freaking t-shirt on stream. Yeah. I mean, there was a little downtime. I spent all my downtime cooking tonight. Ribeye stir fry, but the stir fry contained, you know, garlic, mushrooms, onions, and then some sharp shredded cheese, a little Caesar, and then the ribeye cut up. That's 6 ingredients. But I marinated the steak after it was cut up. I cut it before it was cooked with, you know, like Dale's, whatever, Moore's, whichever. I don't remember. I think it's Dale's, the steak seasoning, and then Italian to help, you know, with that acidity, help break down the meat a little bit. Even though it didn't have much time, so probably didn't do anything. And then garlic powder with a little salt. So that's 9, 10 coinciding variables in my dish. If you get 9 to 10 coinciding variables anywhere on any market, you might as well take a shot, dude. Okay. Turned out wonderful. The trade setup of food was fantastic. Okay. So 3 is good, but 10 is better, Luta. You're never going to get 10. I mean, you might. I mean, you might need to venture out into different variable worlds, right? Different indicators. Learn about many more. If you really want to do that, spend that much time on it. Okay. But we know it's a numbers game, man. Man, we're going, dude. We're freaking going. I mean, I was only going to stick around probably for like that hour, you know, to wait for that, you know, 38 minutes till the 4-hour candle close. But anyway, we were just tripping through time. We've done this before. It's very fun. Okay. Made some higher lows. Can't say that was very clear divergence. I wonder if the 4 hour, if we get it. You know it does that. Down here. Yeah, look down here. So sometimes you're not going to get it on the daily. You won't. But just look no further than that beautiful 4 hour. Low on price. Lower low on price. Lowest low on price. Higher levels of relative strength every time. Triple RSI. Bullish divergence. You got to be freaking kidding me. And then, see, it was a little less clear here because it was like low on price, low on price. You know, you had that class A bullish divergence, and then you made that lower high and then dumped once more. And that's why it's really good to have more than just the RSI or MACD. Having both is really good because though you could see the sell-off once more, it was like you already understand where you are, right? Look at these supports. Like you didn't even hit that support at 5,800, hit 5,900. And I remember Probes and me were laughing about all that stuff. 58. Remember? Oh yeah, it was like 5,800. Man. Okay, so that RSI divergence was there, man. It was freaking there. And what happened? You broke to the upside. And look what happened. On the daily, it did not show up. Nope. Only on the 4 hour did it show up here. And oh my God, it's just like you had a high on price and you kept making higher highs and a rising wedge in a downtrend where every single time you make lower highs. Every time. And at the end, how we knew it, we were just like, it's going to happen, dude. Like, we'll go back to these videos back from September of 2018 early, but it was like, happened on stream where we had negative momentum on slightly higher highs. It was pathetic, dude. It was pathetic. And the dump happened, and then volatility was killed. It was kill. It was no more for like a quarter. We had the Bitfinex tether scare, but God, being range bound, it was trying troubling times as a streamer for crypto, for Bitcoin, between September 10th to freaking November 10th. Okay, it was, forget about it, man. You think this is bad, our correction we're in now? Go back to that 3-month period. It was awful. Okay. How are y'all doing? I mean, we're talking about Bitcoin. I mean, chat, are y'all okay? Everything good, man? I'm drinking some coffee. I haven't had milk in my coffee in a while. I mean, I had creamer a couple days ago, but really, I've just been drinking it black for a couple months, few months. Savage Keyboard said, Chipotle is always dumping. I know you're not saying about the asset itself. You're probably making a pun about, you know, Chipotle away. I get it. I dig it. All right. So that was fun, right? That was fun. But yeah, like looking at the 4 hour zoomed in, have not really been able to break the resistance, man. It's most clear on the 60 minutes, seeing that in the daily too. Couple wicks up here. I really love how this equidistant channel is so perfect, man. It's just, you just gotta believe, man. It's hitting the 75% trend line of the equidistant channel perfectly and pulling back. It's just like confluent resistances right here. Not easy. And you know, you exceeded the 236 and you're staying above it, man. Stay above 84.78 long enough, you could get another run. But it's just going to be tougher when you're pretty much overbought. But it's strong when you're up at these levels. Really strong RSI, man. I haven't checked. Logos free, yeah, that was, I mean, there were many nuts streams, dude. I mean, it was just like at a point where I would go and eat dinner and leave the stream on, and there'd be like over 1,000 people watching like an hour after I had gone AFK and was going to come back later that night. Just 1,000 people just hanging out, watching the price action, and just talking in chat. It was magical times. One day I dream of a time when there are that many people always interested in trading in crypto and volatility. Okay.
Ohio State is gonna beat that ass. BTC style over S coin style.
BTC over S coin style? Yeah? Huh? Sorry.
Thanks, Mitch.
Bankhead, thanks for the 3s, dude. Much love. And Luta, I mean, Mother of God, I would hope so. I would hope Ohio State would beat Northwestern, unranked Northwestern, on a Friday night game. 7:30 kickoff. I would hope so, man. But yeah, you're saying Bitcoin is going to, Northwestern are the altcoins and Bitcoin is Ohio State in the situation. Is that what you're saying? Maybe so, dude. Someone just said Ohio State is an S coin, but you didn't say TOSU. You said OSU. So I'd assume if you're talking college football, that's Oklahoma State, which they're kind of turning out to be that, right? They've covered many bets for me, but last weekend they S the bet. They lost to Texas Tech, but Texas Tech came off a complete obliteration game where they got killed by Jalen Hurts in Oklahoma. So a new week, more games. Okay, so about 30 minutes left on our 4-hour candle. All right, guys, we're gonna do Ethereum. Not much to look at. I mean, it's had a nice move today, or yesterday, I guess. Stay at home. Made fib high.
I love the time tripping sessions.
Dude, me too, right? Stay at home. Fibonacci. Dude. Thank you. They're fun. It's just, there's so much potential to learn when we do that stuff. It's like it's like ESPN Classic, but for Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin Classic. Trademark. Oh wait, someone's gonna steal it. Come on, someone out there, go ahead and steal it, dude. Give me a break. All right, so nearing that resistance of the downsloping channel. Yeah, I haven't adjusted it or anything. I mean, you got big resistance at 224, 239. So say 225, 240, 282 up here. All right. Big resistance at 318. So look how much work you have cut out for you on Ethereum. It took a lot of effort, a lot of buying pressure to get you up this way to any of these supports. I'd be impressed even if you got to 225, the way this has been going, where you were going up and now you're going down. And what would you do here? You made a lower high, much lower high than your previous high. Okay. So it is coming. Brace yourself. Downsloping geometrical resistance is here. High to low, you've hit a 62% retrace. So what does that mean, man? That means like there is a possibility that you could reverse your price action if you're at a golden retrace and a downsloping resistance. As we know it now. I mean, it could be that I would have to adjust like this, and then you might have some more room to run. Like now, what we could do is at this point, give it a shot. Whatever, man. Done it before. So down sloping structure, maybe, since the impulse. You got a 75% trend line hit, support, now resistance, heartline resistance, somewhat kind of. Look at the support here. Resistance, support. AP, thanks for the sub, dude. Welcome. If you're enjoying the live stream, please hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Let's go, man. Sub spike. Sub freaking spike. One day, man. I swear. Sub having show. Uh-oh. You've actually stopped playing Classic WoW, pretty much. Level 40 Shadow Priest. Well, congratulations on getting to level 40. I don't know, man. It just doesn't make sense to me, you know? Sinking so much time into something that's just What's it do? What's it do for you? Besides escapism, which is fine. I mean, heck, dude, I use charts to escape, but at least it can make me some money, right? Practical skill. Leveling up your leatherworking and WoW is not a practical skill. Okay, why don't you just level up real life leatherworking or real life engineering or something? Okay. What's up, Robert D, man? It says, love your consistent work. Very helpful. I have made many decisions upon your judgments, and I am positive. Well, that's great, man. Thanks so much for sharing and watching and giving me a chance, dude. Okay. Everyone at one point has to be like, I'll give this guy like 10 seconds of my time. Okay, 20, 30, a minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, this is... one enjoys this or not, and then they keep watching or they stop. So thanks for giving me your time. Inverse Bart on the sub spike looks, let's hope, dude. So we square up to the upside. It's way higher or something. All right, so anyway, man, I kind of just want to, I mean, if you want something, just say it, but if you're not, I'm just gonna do my thing. Okay, so the first one, chat, of the night. Right Aid Connect. Fell off a cliff Connect. Sweet Mother of God. Do you see what has happened to thee? It lost its life, man. And what was it that made it lose its life on Rite Aid? Oh, I wonder, dude. I freaking wonder what it was. What was the end of Rite Aid, chat? Can someone tell me what the end of this asset was? It's undoing. Sweet Mother of God. $190 Pinnacle, July 2015. $190. Now we're at $8.20. I wonder if there was weekly or monthly bearish divergence. I bet there was. Let's go to the weekly. Not on the MACD, but certainly on the RSI. It wasn't that great, actually. It was there, right from the peak. Remember the attempted rally that we get all the time? One huge impulse, you sell off, then you attempt your rally with a lower high, a double top, or a slightly higher high, and then you dump, and then lower highs from there, and the pattern's created. And wow, 1990. Oh yeah, obliterated. Look at this, $1,022.
Long play on TMHC?
Luther, thank you, man, for the leets, the 3 leets. Goodness. Oh, we'll look at it. Oh yeah, dude. So, hey man, it's Amazon, dude. It's Amazon 1998 or something. Oh, Amazon's higher, but like Google, you know, like an asset that is literally worth $1,000 per share, and then it lost everything. Went from $1,020, and then the tech bubble popped, and Rite Aid hit its lowest level, $159 or so. No, I'm sorry, my bad. I don't know why that's there. I think that's, what the heck? Oh, okay, that was just showing where the price was when I had it. Like, okay, never mind. No, it hit like freaking $30 from $1,000 in from like January 1999, and then December of 2000. So like 11 months went from $1,000 to $30. Nice. Freaking nice. So if you see high flyers like this on the stock market, and we just trip through time for a second, I mean, I just want to play with it. Like, who cares, you know? I don't even know how it would work. I really don't. This is nuts, dude. I don't think you can. I really don't think there's a way to do it, maybe. Dude, no freaking way. I'm trying to I'm like messing with this tool more and more because it's pretty freaking nice. The parabola tool, whatever you want to call it. It's just the curved line tool. It's pretty nice. So we were chilling, man. Didn't say it would be like, yeah, I mean, something like that, right? Or once you broke that line, dude, I mean, yeah, look, you had like a day or two below it. Very scary. But then look at the weekly here on Rite Aid, like a high on price, and then your highest high on price, and then you even had the tail end. It was like triple RSI, bearish divergence. But like, really, if you want to, I mean, dude, I think it's either way. I think it's great looking at it like this, you know, like. Right, I think it was like you were diverging. You just kept diverging. And then on the MACD right here, look on the weekly on Rite Aid, there was something to tell you. Like, oh my God. There's weekly bearish divergence. Right? So what happened before everything came crashing down? There were signals on significant time scale. Yeah. Let's go to the monthly, just for fun. Why not, dude? Oh, really? Oh, I'm so surprised here. So friggin' surprised. I mean, like high, I mean, you know, here it was kind of off, but you could just see, right? Like that. MACD wasn't really as clear. It was almost like you had it and then it defied gravity and then dumped. Kind of an evening star, bearish harami. Isn't that a bearish harami cross almost? Yeah, bearish harami cross, which is like a harami, but it's like more of a doji, and it's within the parameters of the previous candle. So that is a monthly reversal candle. Look at it, man. Bearish harambe cross. So hello, good God. Hey, it's someone's fault for saying, hey, look at it back in 1999, and I wouldn't have done it if they didn't say it. So anyway, why I'm here was not just to tell an amazing story about the life of Rite Aid Connect, literally Connect, dude. Oh my God, Carlos Matos in stock form. I'm looking at an asset that could be shifting its momentum to the upside. Now, of course, none of this is going to matter if a recession comes and Bitcoin dumps and goes through a 3-month-long correction or something. This will probably fail. Stock picking just doesn't really work very well in terms of going long on bullish patterns and bearish trends, and that's what we're saying. Like, that's why we look at bearish and bullish assets, right? So this one's a little weird. It's like, I think you had, this was the shoulder, heads, shoulder, right? And you got a clear neckline. And, you know, if things went okay, you know, like if it worked out. Hold on. Jeez. If it worked out for you and you could ever break above $9.80, it's a $4.68 measured move. We're talking an 89.99% increase in value. That's how large the measured freaking move is, dude. That puts you at like 1460. Rite Aid, anyone? Bueller.
Bueller. Bueller. Bueller. Bueller.
I'm just gonna keep
Bueller.
spamming it until y'all say something.
Bueller.
Just kidding. Whatever. Whatever, dude. I'm adding my watch list. Okay. Kind of. I kind of see it. I kind of see something else that I don't really like. DaVita Incorporated, 1.557 million volume. Oh, kind of interesting though. I like it. Look at the nice move up, and now you're retracing, correcting a little bit. Looks kind of healthy. Somewhat, anyway. Dang, I see a lot of things. I see dead people. I see, like, yeah, it's the inverse head and shoulders, man. It's kind of weird. Like, where would the neckline be if it's like that? You had like a false breakout or something. I think, maybe. We'll see how deep we've retraced. Wow, man. Does that not look like a beautiful, like, just consolidation maybe? I mean, maybe not. Maybe it's awful. Man, how do we anchor here? I don't think that... Alright, look at that. Crazy spike down the V shape. On the way... Oh my god, look at the divergence that developed. You broke back into the consolidation. Man, it's like, this has to be one of these lows. 618 hit that 61.8% retrace, that golden retrace, and then bounced. So I don't know, this correction's been going on since April 2015. So for years. And you're not at, like, you know, like, thinking about X, A, B, C, D. There are definitely better levels of value on this asset. All right, this would be your BAT. So you could say at 27.82, you could probably get a better long on DaVita. Just saying, a crazy, crazy harmonic. You may never get there though. Good. I mean, this is overall very, very bullish, but it is only retraced moderately, not deeply. Okay. So I don't know. I mean, maybe there is potential for upside, and that might be this pattern that the scanner is trying to pick up. You know, see it? It's like the kind of scuffed double shoulder head, triple shoulder, right? Quasimodo looking A. I don't know, you can call it almost, see, I don't know, you calling it complex inverse head and shoulders because it's like normally you want like a lower low. I mean, higher lows every time. So maybe it could be said that this is in fact some sort of complex slanted potential inverse head and shoulders. Do you see it? We'll see how this lands. A little bit of divergence, convergence on the offset. We'll see how it plays, man. Weird looking, dude. Quasimodo looking A. Well, you can look at BAT to BTC. Oh yeah. A lot upside up here, right? Dude, do I hear people singing? Oh no, dude, we are not in the Middle East right now. I'm not doing that. Sorry. Anyway, nothing wrong with the Middle East. I'm just saying we're not there right now. We're literally not. We're like on the charts. Okay. What do you want, man? Like, what in the world would you ever want? Bat to BTC. Confirmed double bottom. Broke it, ran up. What'd it do? Hit the measured move. Hit the golden retrace. Hit nearly the 786, but not quite. And then what happened? Though it's not, it is, in a way, it's the only way it could be in crypto, some sort of pseudo dark cloud cover. Right, where it pierced through 50% of the previous candle. But again, it's not over, right? It's not over, but it did kind of reverse there. Vulnerability, decent amount of volume. No divergence yet. Wow. I mean, look how you look. This Class C, well, it was actually, yeah, it was a higher high. So Class C divergence does not necessarily mean impending price action reversal, even though you did get it. You certainly did get it before it broke to the upside. Downsloping consolidation, flagging kinda, then went. So there's nothing more you could ask for here.
Bruh.
You built it and they will come. Again. Those days when thousands were watching and liking was evidence that they came to you to know more. We're on the verge of huge adoption and they will come because you give and give. We're all here for you till then.
Thanks, Brugalinos, for the kind words and the threes. None? Oh, I gotta look at TMHC. I'm sorry, dude. My bad. My bad. We're just going, dude. We're going. Oh, okay. This is that one, yeah. It's on the watch list. Just waiting for the best entry possible.
Is that a joint?
What's your take on how mindsets affect trading? Listening to Trading in the Zone for the second time. I've been around a bit. Developing the right mindset for whatever I've done has positively helped in a big way.
For sure, dudes.
Thanks, Rock please.
Yeah, Miss Shaver, thanks for threes, dude. How does trading affect? Well, what's my take on how mindsets affect trading? Dude, it's just kind of like you can't have expectations. That's the mindset, right? If you have expectations, then you're going to feel some sort of negative or positive response from what happens, whether you expected it to happen and it did happen or it didn't happen. I think like the mindset should be, I mean, yeah, you can be extremely happy when it does play out because you use technical analysis, you used your edge to help you, gain that over the market. But if it fails, you can't be upset about it. And then it's like, you have to have the right positioning, the position size. Because if you have the wrong position size, you're going to become over emotional, right? It's not going to be your fault. It's just kind of going to be natural, where you've got just too much money involved in one trade. So if it loses, you're going to be, crap. And then with all that emotion going on in your mind, man, it's going to be real hard to break that when down the road, if you see like an inverse head and shoulders, and it failed miserably, and then like, a couple of them failed miserably, but then that third one shows up and you're like, screw that one, dude. It's got everything, it looks great, but I'm sick of it, man. Those keep failing. And then you don't play it, and then it blasts off and you miss that trade because you had emotional negative responses from the previous potential trade setups or potential inverse head and shoulders, right? Just think about Rite Aid. I don't know, man. A little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Okay, thanks, dude. So this asset, well, I think the greatest, and it may dump before then. It really could, because the divergence is so huge. You're in deep retrace territory. Bearish Harambe. But the 886 is where we want to be, where one would want to go short if they were going to, because of what? The weekly. Yes, the weekly connect chat. It's continued to rise too for a few weeks, right? But way more than that. But I'm saying we didn't discover this until like a few weeks ago, and it's continued to do its thing. But now on the weekly, showing a bearish Harami right now. Okay, and look, triple MACD bearish divergence developing, and you're overbought like 74. So you're almost there, man, but you may never get there before the huge dump. All right, what else? Taylor Morrison Home Corporation Connect. I don't know, man. This almost looks like you could make it a wedge. I don't know how though. It's like a really nice looking channel. I think I was gonna like look at it like that, like a wedge. Okay. Oh, Wayne Batson's watching on the Brave browser, the Bat browser, man. Send it on the Bat signal, man, the Bat browser. BraveTube. No, they just need their form of, they should call it Brave Labs, okay, or Bat Labs, where if you tip me in Bat on the Bat browser, its API synced up to my OBS to where it will show up and you can get recognition for contributing to the stream via the Bat browser. You should email them, okay? I'll be the guinea pig. I'll be the first, okay? And definitely want to say thanks again for all those people that did contribute to me via the Bat browser. Very grateful. You are unsung heroes because there's literally no way. They don't tell me who tips me in Bat. They don't tell who contributes. It's all private. I don't have any idea. So thank you all. It comes in like once a month, just Bat. For months now, it's just been coming in. So, okay, sorry. How much to spin the wheel at Quintus Theory? Well, I don't have a beer, but I mean, I'm still kind of tipsy from earlier. So it's if you want to spin the wheel, dudes, I don't know, we can get the wheel started. Are you asking, would you like me to get a beer and we can do the wheel spins? Because I don't care. Dude, it's been a fantastic day. And it's Wednesday. I don't care. Remember, if I work like 6 or 7 days per week, weekends are kind of weird, right, for me. Okay, does that help Luta on the 886 or on the Taylor Morrison Home Corporation? Let me know. You're getting close, and it could turn around at any time. But remember, there's also a supply line down here at 2369. So what if it sells off and then rallies, and then like has an up thrust, or like a shortening of the thrust, where it goes one more time, man, a slightly higher high on that attempted rally, and then dumps? That can happen too. That daily bearish average is very real. Okay. What happened to Jeopardy? I don't know, man. Just haven't done it in a while. It's a lot of work, man. A lot of work. Okay, the wheel. Okay, we can't do retroactive wheel spins. I'm sorry. Okay, the wheel only comes up if people are like talking about it, or it's like literally a confirmed night from the beginning of the stream. All right, and I was only supposed to be around for an hour, but if you want to do it, man, we can do it. I don't know, like it's always been, maybe $10 wheel spins or something. I don't care. Wednesday beer night? Wednesday beer day, I must say. Okay. Good God. What? No, I'm adding those to the wrong freaking watch list, man. Come on. Okay. That never played out. Look at the dumping that happened here. Okay. So the wedge, this is Freeport McMoran Incorporated. Invalid pattern, pretty much. I mean, maybe not. If you double bottom here, it'd be the same pattern, right? potential pattern. And it could go all the way down to 1414. So this is as low as it should go ever. This actually might be an insane potential trade setup right now, like a double bottom. I mean, why not? There's not much of anything here, but I'm just telling you, your right fib extension from A to B. This is your 1414. I know it's the second time you're hitting it though, so it could be cause for concern. But slight amount of bullish divergence. So I could break the upside, make lower high, and then sell up again. But RSI still diverging. Wow, that's like legit kind of triple RSI bullish divergence going on FCX.
Bruh.
Only for a spin.
Only for a spin connect. Okay, dude. First blood. Hold tight. Thanks, Luke.
Bruh. Bruh.
Can you look at S/BTC on the daily? And Alabama will lose this weekend.
Kills are living. If you're saying that, like seriously, dude, I'll take your money. We can have a gentleman's bet right now if you wish. Okay. Mond, what a joke, dude. Okay, so I was gonna get the wheel. We're gonna look at something else too. What? Aren't we? Rock, please. Rock. Okay, yeah, I'll get this beer. We'll do rock. We'll wheel spin, and it'll all be the same thing. Oh, not rock pool acquisitions. Are you talking about Roku? Keep talking about rock. All right. Are you talking about rock to BTC or something? Because I don't see ROC. While I'm getting this beer, Mr. Shaver, tell me in chat what you're talking about. ROC, I saw. Okay.
Bruh.
Yeah, like, got a little choice here. I was like, double IPA, Shinerbach, or Abita Amber. And I was like, oh, let's go with Shinerbach, whatever. This is, I think, my first Shinerbach. Yeah, Chesapeake Energy Company. Oh, yeah, that was, there were a couple like that. Regen was like that too. Chesapeake, we've had Chesapeake charted. Yeah, it was a harmonic for sure. So whatever, you can think about this as an idea, but also think about this where it's a falling wedge, potential double bottom, right? And you could look at it almost like this point. If it goes lower, it's like XA 70, right? Something like that, butterfly crap, whatever. It's too shallow. It's in no man's land really for a harmonic. Maybe shark. I don't know, dude. Just keep it simple in these situations. It's not steep enough yet, so it's like one bottom, two bottoms, maybe some divergence on both oscillators. You might get your break soon. Let's real quick before I spin the wheel, low to high, 1272. You might have it. Hey, 820. 820 might be it, dude. That might be a spot where you're inside the wedge still and you're at a fib extension, critical fib extension, or at 818, excuse me. Okay, man. I don't know. This was on I accidentally put this on the wrong watch list. Let me wheel spin. Oh yeah. Gulp. It is only a gulp. It is not a chug. It is not a social or spinner drinks. That's not bad. That I should have definitely chugged this. It feels like over, you know, the IPA. Yeah. I made a bad decision. That would have been easier right there. I couldn't help it though. Half the it was like worlds divided with the question on which one I should chug earlier today. What happened to Quintus Theory, man? What you talking about, dude? Hold on, I'm looking for... Okay. There you go, Blessed One, be exactly. Hey, Bob Lazar, man, what's up, dudes? Totally different from what, Bob? Different from what? Yes, he did. Blessed. Blessed be. For me. Don't make me do it.
Don't make me. We're in the concert hall right now. We're looking at many assets across the markets, man. And we are kings.
Oh, wait. Oh, Luta, I took 2. Did you say? I knew you'd say something, and then I took another one. So I was like, maybe that would appease you. What's up, Mr. Zhao? Kiki Zhao? All is well. Hope it is also well with you. Okay. So I guess we're good. Oh yeah, forgot. Sorry.
You're local on the 8s. Oh my god, man.
Sweet green? What are you talking about, Julian? 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 The hair on my face is growing back in. I'm just letting it do its thing. I don't know how it's gonna go. All right. No expectations, chat. Okay, Luta, man. Well, this... Okay. That was a literal gulp, dude. Okay. On top of the other 2. Yep, US Steel, 52-week low. I know, I saw it today. But barely. It's right at where it started. It's right back at that 786. So I'm interesting. Would we double bottom here, or are we just going to break through it and get wrecked? Okay. No, Kiki. What? Shinerbach, a 12-pack, made you piss your pants in Grapevine, Texas. Alright, man. Figure it out, little bruises. Kind of someone who you might like to watch, dude. What's up, Prosperity, dude? Alright, so we can just go back to Bitcoin, the local on the 8th for a second. Just for a moment, chat. Okay, here's our daily. Again, just the daily. Unable. Still below the 200-day moving average. Gross. Positive momos continuing to build. Look what happened. We said on this day, oh, I bet you the next day is going to be green positive momo. That's good. That's good when your RSI is diverging. That's good. So there you go. It's happening. Excuse me, bullish and golden candle. 2 of them, 2 in a row. Wonderful. Measured move of the range if you broke it would be around 94.50. Oh yeah, kills for living. My bad, dude. Sorry, man. I forgot. What's going on here? I don't know. Maybe it was like I had something and it was like whatever. But this is continuing to rise, man. Whatever. It still looks like it could be a... Dang, dude. I mean, what are you going to do here? It looks like no matter what happens, you're going to get extreme levels of bearish divergence. Look, this is log scale. So you will soon be touching... You're about to be touching downside resistance 23,333. Repeating, of course, sats. And I think that if you could break that, right above you is going to be that 25,000 sat area. Again, extremely important that you break this zone between 25 and 26,700 sats and then hold it, and then you might have nice upside potential there. But as it stands right now, could just be developing, and it could change. Look, man, you could have something like X, A, B. I mean, this could go to the 1414. And then you could have a long position down here maybe. But again, it's a huge bearish trend, so it's like fart. Right? Bullish cipher connects maybe. Look, you hit this and you dump down here, and then it's like, oh man, 17,489. We might have ourselves a merry little trade setup. Okay? Beautiful. Beautiful. What is this, soccer mom vibe? Who? So there you go, kills for a living. Hello? What's up, dude? Bricolinos, yeah, maybe. So maybe set up an alert at like 17,900, 18,000 sats. But keep your eye out to see what I feel like, man, no matter what you're gonna do, you might just be coming up to these levels, just barely. Look at the receding volume, somewhat. You know, it just looks kind of weak. What's it gonna do? Just explode up? Oh my god! I mean, maybe, but there was divergence down here. There was quadruple MACD bullish divergence. Believe it or not, it was beautiful on the daily or the bounce. But again, you might just look, you get that sell off, you get the attempted rally, the slightly higher high, then you sell off, and you might get a better entry way down here at 17,500 when you make a higher low than your previous low, right? A major higher low than your major previous low. Okay. And if it, I mean, dude, this is like, harmonics are there to help us find good areas of value to take longs. And if we have divergence and coinciding variables at those areas, the PCZ, pattern completion zone, then we do it. But like, if you may be developing one, it could fail, but
Aquinas Theory tip $25. Hype the chat's brother's new BTC structure being built. Let's get it. Do your thing, Mitch.
Let's do it. Aquinas Theory, spin that wheel, right? Oh yeah. Thank you, dude, for the 25, the V-Chain doing things vault. Oh my god, scary. Okay. Gulp. I want it to be social so bad. That was definitely a gulp, man. All right. Wow. Thank you, dude.
Bruh.
Kind of like the Ethereum Classic US dollar. Sure. I think we'll look at that after Brooklyners want a link. We looked at that today. It fails. It is failing right now. Okay. So, an asset that broke above that 198 to 208 area, once it broke it and got a daily confirmation close, it actually back tested. And you got 3 days of green in a row, with it getting as high as $3.13. But now, showing some red, the beginning of the day, the new day. If it could hold this, look, it could just back test it, come back up. 74 on the RSI, so you're overbought. No divergence, no bearish divergence at all. Daily. Maybe the 4 hour. Yeah, look at the 4 hour. You got, oh, nasty RSI divergence, right? So yeah, this could be where you sell off, you come back test 208 again. You're serious. I mean, that's what could happen. All right, so look out for the 4 hour bearish divergence on link to the US dollar. That is, you know how it works. You're showing bearish divergence at a critical resistance after jumping like freaking 20% or something or more in a couple days, few days. All right, so don't look at me, man. It was like over 20%. I don't even remember the percentage gains of this. Oh, Lucha, thanks for the $1 contribution, man. Thank you, dude. The XRP in the jar. Oh, what? Look out. Look here, listen. On an up thrust with bearish divergence. Critical resistance. Careful, dude. Higher risk, much higher risk up here for a long, dude. Anything, look, there's like support here too. Stop below like 260. I'd be prudent, protective. If one's like in the green already. I don't know, taking a fresh long here is like derp. That's not how you do it, dude. You don't take longs at up thrusts with bearish divergence on the 4 hour time scale on the RSI. Sorry. Figure it out. You're looking at me. Y'all are looking at me, Cosmic Golf. Whoa, dude. Don't scare me like that.
Bruh.
4 hour close just happened 14 minutes ago. Collie Wally. Or you could say the next 4 hour candle close that you're asking about is in 3 hours and 45 minutes and 50 seconds. Okay. So that is link for Brooklynos. Oh, we just looked at Bat Cosmic Elf. 4 hour, daily, weekly, Brandon Davis are the most significant time scales to be using for swing trading. 60 minutes sometimes. Just if you can have like 4 hour bullish divergence and then you go to the 60 and it's showing bullish divergence too, that means, oh my God, you got connecting worlds of time. All right, it's like universe 1 meets universe 2. What if you have it on the 60 minute, 4 hour, daily, and weekly at the same time? That is literally all the stars combining or aligning, whatever. You get it. Oh, I got you, Cosmic Elf. Don't look at me, man. Read. You just got here. Thank God I have a VOD. I have it. You look, literally, it's something I selected along, like, first time I started the channel, it's like VOD, video on demand. You can just be like, rewind the whole stream, start over while I'm still live. Whew. A lot of hype on Twitter for Link. Yeah, it's been doing things if you haven't noticed, man. Seriously doing things. Look at this, man. The double bottom connect. Look, when you're making this double bottom connect, look at this. It was convergence, divergence on the 4 hour. And just forget about it, dude. The bullish divergence, low on price, low on price. Lower levels of negative momentum at critical supports. Hello, it's like the same thing going on here, but it was the daily here. It was more significant than the 4 hour we were just looking at, where you're at a critical resistance with RSI bearish divergence. Wow. Anyway. Yep, we actually looked at that, I think, before. Literally anything like Bitcoin, then the S&P E-mini futures. It was nuts, man. It was a wild one. It was a wild one where you got as low as freaking 28.80. Now you're all the way up to 29.12. Price contraction going on. And I also see a harmonic, of course, but actually not really. If it was any kind of harmonic, it would have to be a freaking butterfly that would put you way down here at this point. Martin, thanks for the sub, dude. Well, do we got a butterfly connect on our hands? Ooh, a little too deep, man.
I will never just tip $1. Geez, I don't insult. That was not my mistake. Now, how about a spin? And a look at Pundy coin. Hee hee.
Bruh. Bruh.
Pundy! I'm livid. But we'll do it, man. Alright, thank you, dude. Luta. For the wheel spin connect. The 1337, the elite contribution, man. Alright, here we go. Deep breaths. Bitcoin, 85.90. Don't be scared. My body is ready. Yes! Drink. You drink now. You take a gulp, dudes. Look how it's a game of inches, man.
Bruh.
Dude, this is me right now. Okay. That was it, dude, for the wheel. Like, holy freaking crap. There it is, magnified. Oh my god, dude. Super scared. Oh yeah. What? Okay. It's happening. What? Dude, it's freezing. Dude, they're not turning off. They're defying me. Stream Deck screwed. I don't know what's going on, dude. We in here. We in here. I can't turn it off. This is broken now. Okay, that's not good. I'm gonna have to manually turn these off. I can't believe this. I'm being defied. Oh, this is gonna take a minute then. Alright. There's a timer. Okay, turn it out. Gotta turn off Chris Hansen. Hold on, I'm looking for it. I don't know where it is, dude. I have like 1,000 sources for this scene. There it is. There you go. God. Get out of here. Okay. So it was Pundy. You want to see Pundy Connect? Can't believe. You know what makes me so sad? That I literally know the ticker. I hate that I know the ticker of Pundy. Look how long it takes to load because it's so terrible. TradingView is so pissed off right now. Dude, it's literally TradingView. It's not my computer. It's TradingView right now. It's like broken right now. I don't know what's happening. You see how it's darked out? You got me, man. I don't know. I'm just sitting here. I don't know what to do, man. It just like won't go to it. Great, dude. Great. What the chart that my data's on? Okay, it like just didn't. Oh, it's not even on my watch list. That's funny. Dude, I don't know, man. This is so dumb. Like, it's like, this is not the one I want to go to, man. I want to go to the other one. There's not even another one. What the heck? Dude. Why can't I go to this one? Oh, it's an invalid symbol now. So they got rid of it or something? I don't know, man. Dude, yeah, I don't know. Whatever I used to look at is no longer a thing, according to TradingView. So, great. Maybe there's some more data somewhere else. Okay. This one's alright. It's still terrible. I don't know, man. What do we even want here, dude? That's log. Doesn't even matter. I just took it off log scale. Didn't change. Dude, I don't know. Like, what am I supposed to do with this crap? 266 sats. It's a scam. It's like gotta be a scam. It's like, oh man, look, $16.95, man.
Whip out that spinning beer machine one more time. It's the October.
Bruh.
It is the October. What is it? About 40 minutes, 38 minutes. It'll be literally 7 days until my birthday. Are you kidding? Another year, man. We made it. And it was a real good year, wasn't it, chat? Jesus. So good. Alright. I'm trying to make sense of it. It's terrible, dude. Let's get out my curved line tool. Social, social, social. Spinner drinks. Get wrecked. That is spinner drinks. Need the magnifier. There it is. Spinner drinks. That's 2 in a row. I can't be stopped. I can't be beat. I'm doing things tonight on the wheel. Nice. Finally got some good luck. We got, if you didn't know, what, 3 chugs today? 3 chug variations went off. God. Yeah, we'll look at Ethereum after this, but you know, can't really do anything about it when people want to see Pundy. I don't even know what to do with this, man. It's terrible. Look, 2,200 sats. Now it's at 226 sats. Remember how we made fun of it so much, and look how terrible it's been. It's like I'm not eating crow. I'm feasting on whatever I freaking want. The people that were so butthurt about me ragging on this crap, they're the ones eating crow. Like, dang, dude, Ray was right, man. This was kind of a scam. He was making fun of it so much, dude, but it's just like, I don't know, man. Dude, I don't know. Like, you do it like this? Dude, there's just no way. I just... It's freaking awful. It doesn't even matter, man. What's gonna happen, dude? Is it gonna break to the upside now, man? Like, I'm just anchoring, like 1 and 2. It's... Maybe it's time to break the upside. I mean, you are diverging. Let's be real here. On this asset, you're showing stupid amounts of bullish divergence. Look. I mean, it's triple MACD bullish divergence. That's real. That's very real life. Not on the MACD. Meh. Still really weak, though. Really, really weak. So interesting, I guess. That's nice. That's really freaking nice. That's anytime you want to see some asset jump the upside, that's what you like seeing. That's all I can tell you. Okay, I can't use Fibonacci from a high to low because I don't know. But, dude, this hasn't even retraced 1%. It's at like its lowest lows of all time right now. So what am I supposed to do? Crypto Scala, welcome. Thanks for the sub, dude. Okay. No one wants to be calling your Pakistani freaking number, dude. Okay, get out of here. It's really weird. Really, really weird. That's right, Dilov. Stir fry rib eye. No crow. Pundy was declared a scam. We told you that before it was declared one, dude. We knew it. We could smell it a mile away. Oh, Indian cell phones, dude. Wow, that's a great idea. Let's go. Multi-trillion-dollar idea, man. Give me a break. Try fib extension. We can do outer fib extensions. Yeah. Yeah, see, you fell below the 1618, man. That's why I didn't even go to it immediately. It's, look, there is no 2618. There is none, man. And I don't even know if it makes sense to go from your low to high without wick. What am I supposed to do with this crap? More than double of what the chances for the chug variation go off. Exactly. I did get wrecked. See? I did get wrecked. It's a 6% chance at $25, and then it's a 9% chance at $33.33. Man, we up in here, man. We going. We up in here, man. Are you kidding me?
You do realize Pundy was a joke. How about Joker? It's booming.
Bruh.
Take a spin.
We're not space based. I can't. I don't do jokes in space, man. Not bad.
Okay, sorry, I'm back. Yeah, we can do a spin to win. Let's go. Big one, 8,604 Pundy trash, and it was a joke. And it's like you're very right. I mean, that's an extremely accurate statement. Pundy is a joke. And no one's gonna argue with you on that. My wheel, dude.
Social!
Everyone. There you go, dude. Nice. Social, dude. Luta. Come on, dude. Dungeon.
Bruh.
Birthday Connect.
Birthday Connect. Connect. Dude, thank you for the 29.57 bat. I'm gonna be a bat whale, man. Remember the bat whales? I love it. Okay. Screw Pundy. We're gonna look at Joker. Joker, here it is. Take that off. This is Joker. It's in. Oh my god, dude. It's Alderaan. It's exactly what Alderaan looks like right now, dude. Doesn't work. Hype for the people that held Pundy this entire time. Yes, exactly, dude. Oh yeah, Stadium Kings on there, dude. People were really hyped about it. I mean, like extremely hyped about it, man. Nice slide pattern, yeah, dude. Okay, what was it? ZRX to BTC or something? Oh yeah, dude, look at this one. Look here, listen. ZRX to BTC broke out, man, but it never broke the 200-day moving average. Look at the volume involved on the break to the upside. Nice. So we have broken out of this channel, dude. Development of its anchor points, May of 2018, and October of 2018. You were stuck within it. You were like trapped in scrub time. And you're finally out, but not even close to where you need to be. With the golden zone between 7,134 and 10,582 sats. Extra Mile Davis, or extra, why did I say Davis? Extra Mile Delivery Service. He was once a holder of Pundy. But we have... What have we done, man? That's not it, sorry. Gosh dang it, man. I have too many things. We have brought you into the light. You were at once lost.
But now you can see.
Okay, sorry.
Bruh.
Too much. What was it?
Bruh.
Here's to an early birthday spin. New York, Austin, Las Vegas. Wow, really went places for adventure this year. And you took us with you. Who else brings their family with them on their life journeys? Anything big planned for your birthday?
Thanks, Brooklynist. 3 is, oh, you forgot Los Angeles at the beginning of the year. That may have been before your time, but we were there, man, when no one cared, dude. That was like, we had already broken out of the Downslooping channel. Our Gartley had played out. It was so nice, but the sentiment was still so scrubby. March, man, right? That month before April, dude, was just like, where was everyone? Where was everyone? And then we reverted the upside April 1st, 2nd. It was fantastic. So, nah, no big plans for my birthday at all, dude. I don't know what my plans are, man. I haven't thought that far ahead, really. It's a week away, but it's like, you don't really, I don't know. I don't know, y'all want to hang out or something? I don't know, man. That's right, Extra Mile Delivery Service, exactly. Hello? Chat, where'd you go, man? Thanks for the 332 people tuned in. 146 likes, appreciate it. Like button, bell, sub if you're here. If you're new, you're lurking. Say something. Sub, like, everything, dude. Come on. We're going hard. Okay. So we go back to Bitcoin for a sec. Go back to home base. Been all across the galaxy tonight, haven't we? Just another one in the books. Bull pull bull flag, measure move, perfecto. But that's it so far. Nothing else. Nothing spectacular. Only just being professional Bitcoin with the bull pull bull flag. Nothing extraordinary with a range bound breakout to the upside. That would be legendary. Okay, got to see that happen. Y'all lurking hard. Lurk Master 5000, nice. JP, he is a robot. Birthday at Blueprint on 3rd, Rush Pabst. Interesting. How do you know about that, man? Bill Gates was mentioning Bitcoin. Oh yeah, was he, man? Michigan Crypto Girl is new. Hi. Everyone, no one freak out. Okay. Z-Rex, we already looked at FTX a little earlier in the stream. Right? What's up, Philip C? Appreciate you too, man. More subs, do interviews. Okay. Sounds good. Bricklina's 1,000 miles away. Let's go. Somewhere you need to get some sleep. Do it, man. Sleep well. Long time lurker, dude. Well, thanks for being that, Rush. Okay, so look at that daily. Clean it up a little bit, just so you can see. It's pretty simple. Your bearish rectangle. We call it bearish because the impulse before it was down. But as you can see, you have like 3 lows. You have like a pinnacle, and you've broken that pinnacle. And it would be really nice to stay above it. I mean, on the daily, I really think on the daily, you could sell off all the way down to 8,400, 83, and back test that candle high close and then run. I think that wouldn't be a big deal. Just because that's a support, right? You broke it. Now, of course, you want to stay above that wick, 85.28, which we have back tested literally already. Yeah, which back tests are great. It's confirmation of the market that exists and is there and is being held. So, still just tons of indecision on this new day, the day that's only been around for 4 hours and 39 minutes or something. Okay. So and we're still below the 200-day moving average, so we really need to break that. If we could break above all this chop right here, there's a real good chance we could run up to at least 8,950 or 9,000. Okay, that's the target if we could break this. So it's like if we go to sleep, we wake up, if these resistances are broken, you're probably at 9,000 or 8,950. Okay. Do you feel it, man? Do you feel the electricity in the air for Bitcoin? Because I do. Cheers to y'all. Been a great stream. Been live an hour and 36 minutes now, man. Longer than I expected to be live. I mean, that's it, dude. I mean, that's what else could you ask for? Targets on break of the upside or downside, you got them. Downside is 68.72. Upside is 94.38 or something, right around there. Really what you're looking at is, I think, the down sloping resistance. That's where it is, wherever that may be, and however long it takes us to get there. But remember, you got to break the 200-day moving average. You got to freaking break 80. It's like 8,600, man. 8,600 to 87.40. It's like that wick 2 that you kind of hit earlier today, or yesterday, I guess. The old candle. What's up, Parm? Thanks for tuning in. Super late over there, right? Or maybe really early now. Let me finish this beer up. And we can part ways. It's almost done, dude. Man, I mean, the stream's been so fluid, or there's been so much fluidity in the stream that I could only do a few scanning, or could do the scanning of only a few assets, right? Ron Nichols, no. I mean, like, the MACD only showed me, I liked it. This is like common stuff when you have negative Momo and it wanes. If you can show bullish divergence on the RSI, and at the same time when you're showing that, you lose all your negative Momo and go to neutral, and your next candle's green. Look what happened, right? You showed it. Okay, there could be more upside potential, more positive Momo candles, and you got them right here. And look, I mean, there's so much room to run the upside if, I mean, it's at neutral 44 or whatever. Dang, it's snowing there. See, it's like, I don't even know what to do, man. Do I want to, like, move at the beach, or do I want to move somewhere cold? Just don't know, dude. Yes, almost every night, Michigan Crypto Grill. Yeah, I stream. I've scheduled streams twice a day, 6 p.m. Eastern and 11 p.m. Eastern. So, what everyone should do is, because if you're sub, that's great. YouTube's notification system is very weak, very tenuous. So joining the Discord is the best way to get notified when I go live or produce a static video. 100%. You'll always get that notification. But if you're on YouTube, you're going to miss it. You will miss live streams. And you'll be like, dang it, dude. I wasn't notified. And I'll be like, hey, we're having this conversation again. So you can... There's a pain of discipline, which is joining the Discord and getting notified. Or there's the pain of disappointment, which is not getting notified and getting pissed about it on a crazy pump or dump day and not getting that coverage that you like. So, that's right, chat. Remember, 2 pains in life. We're not talking about Discord. We're not talking about YouTube subs, notifications, all that crap. We're talking about life. We're talking about the pains of life. The pain of discipline or the pain of disappointment. You get to pick which pain you go through. Okay? You got to prepare. Because when your opportunity comes, it's going to be too late to prepare. So you must always be ready for that. Mic drop. Okay. Whatever, dude. Just finishing my beer. What do I think about bear flag? It could be, yeah. Could end up being a bear flag like 1 and 2. It's a bearish rectangle, so it doesn't matter, dude. You can call it a bear flag all you want. I'll call it a bearish rectangle. You have a huge impulse down in a downtrend. You're at the top of it, so there could be higher risk here. Like, this could be where people do try to take a short. Yeah, it could be, but you're not showing bearish divergence in the 60 minutes nor the 4 hour. You're just a little overbought, so you could sell off before breaking the upside and hitting the top of this channel. That's the scenario. Or you could just be done and dump, hit the bottom, and then just run down. Of course. Of course, man. Pain is inevitable. Suffering is optional. There you go, dude. That's all about the attitude. So I'm telling you to buy more XRP? Yeah, it's exactly what I was telling you. Kappa. Good work. So, this is it, man. The last gulp. This one's for y'all. All of these were for y'all. What a great stream, man.
Bruh.
So really want to say thanks so much for watching, everyone. Thanks for the likes, love, support. The just consistency of showing up, chatting, contributing to the conversation, keeping this thing rolling, man, because I can't do it without you dudes. I mean, I could, I guess, but I just wouldn't have near as much fun. Like, and I don't even understand. Most streamers don't even engage with their chat. Go watch other streamers and notice. Just take notes of how often they engage with y'all, okay? So I love that. And so when chat's slow, it's like, I need chat. I need more chat. And I'm not saying tonight. It's been great. I'm just saying, dude, like, I want to thank y'all for being good at it, for continuing to do that. All right. So I'll just be back sometime tomorrow. We'll do it all again. Keep a lookout. See if Bitcoin can break above that 200-day moving average. Love y'all. Till then, respect. T. Hey.
my name is JP. I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Adios, turd nuggets.